Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the student dashboard in the student progress monitoring dashboard. So this is the page that just shows you all the data for an individual student. Throughout the dashboard you've seen a few different tables, and anytime you click a single student name in one of those tables, there's a button that appears purple that says click here for student details. All of those will take you to this same page, which is this individual student dashboard. So we have a bunch of things. Yours will look a little bit different from mine, as I've mentioned, but there's an option to select the term. So I have the inactive and active courses. I've got all of them selected for this student right now. We're here in second semester, so I can see in this in this little grade book, that we have first semester and second semester, the courses that the student took last semester and is taking this semester. We have a grade date, so this is the date that the grade was posted to campus. We capture the grades every Monday at noon, and then it's updated Tuesday morning in the dashboard. So these first semester grades that are already closed have a grade date of 12/19 for this student, and then this 129 and 124 are the most recent days that those grades were updated for this particular student. We also have the letter grade and the grade percentage. Letter grades with a D are shown along with a little yellow triangle icon, and any grades that are an F have this red diamond icon to draw your attention to those grades that are of concern. We have the number of absent periods, so that's the number of times that the student missed in that course in that semester. So the student missed economics 11 times and ELA 12 11 times. This semester they've missed ELA 12 2 times, and they've missed government 0 times. We have the teacher's name, the class period, and the room number. So for counselors, makes it easier to find those students. If you're a classroom teacher and you need to locate a student during the day, you have that information right there for you as well. To the left of the gradebook, we have a few little demographic pieces about the student: their gender, their age, the grade level, their student ID, and any services that they have that are active in campus today. Underneath the gradebook is a course attendance graph that shows you how many unexcused, tardy, excused, present periods the student has had for any of their courses across these different months. So we can see that, for example, in January, the student has been present 90.2% of the time, and they have a few excused absences and a few activity absences. If I want to look at that information for just a particular course, I can choose that course here. So I just want to see for economics when that student was present, excused, unexcused, etc. We also have an attendance calendar. So there are these purple buttons to the left, and all of these purple buttons are pop-ups. So there's this attendance detail that takes you to the attendance calendar. So this particular attendance calendar will show you the name of the class, and it's color-coded by the type of absence. So the student has an excused absence here for English Language Arts 12 on Friday, January 5th. If I go back a little bit further, I can see there was an unexcused absence here. I'm seeing that the student has a lot of absences maybe on Wednesdays. So we can kind of dig into some trends or patterns for that student using this attendance calendar. If you just want to look at one class at a time, you have the option to select that from these check boxes on the right-hand side, or if you just want to look at a particular absence type. So maybe we only want to see unexcused absences, and we want to quickly just kind of skim through and see where those are occurring. Not too many, so this particular student isn't too concerning for those unexcused absences. There's a close button. Your close button has been moved to the top right. It is in the bottom right on this version, but it was highly requested that we move that to the top, so it's been moved. These other pop-ups have grade trends, so this will show you how the student's grade has changed from week to week. Green is the student's grade, and pink or purple, this color, is the class average. So you can see how the student is performing compared to their peers. Finally, we have a pop-up for all of their test scores. So if the student has CMAS, PSAT, SAT, or MAP data, all of that will show up there. This particular student didn't take CMAS and didn't take MAP, but they have some SAT scores that are in there. The only other thing that I haven't mentioned on this is the behavior incidents. So you can see a count of the number of behavior incidents for which the student was an offender, and a count for the number of closed behavior incidents for which the student was a victim. Additional details are not provided on this particular dashboard due to security and personal student information. And that's it for this student dashboard. Oh, one more thing I will add. To get back to the student list, there's a button in the top left corner that says back to student list with an arrow, and you can click that to return to the student list and look at the individual student dashboard for a different student. So this is what it looks like for a different student. There's that icon for a D grade and the icon for the F grade, etc. All right, now that's it for the individual student page.